first step is to contact the person who issued the check and try to resolve the issue amicably. You may be able to work out a payment plan or simply ask the person to deposit the money into your account. File a complaint with the police. If the person is unable or unwilling to pay the check, you may need to file a complaint with the police. The police will investigate the matter and may issue a summons to the person who issued the check. File a civil lawsuit. You may need to file a civil lawsuit against the person who issued the check. In a civil lawsuit, you can ask the court to order the person to pay the amount of the check, plus interest and legal fees. If you are facing a bounced check issue, it is important to seek legal advice from an experienced lawyer. A lawyer can help you understand your rights and options and represent you in court if necessary. Here are some additional things to keep in mind if you are facing a bounced check issue. The time limit for filing a complaint with the police is 6 months from the date the check was issued. The time limit for filing a civil lawsuit is 3 years from the date the check was issued. If you are successful in your lawsuit, the court may order the person who issued the check to pay your legal fees. If the person who issued the check is unable to pay the amount of the check, the court may issue a judgment against them. A judgment is a court order that requires the person to pay the amount of the judgment. If the person does not pay the judgment, the court may garnish their wages or seize their assets. Only issue checks when you have sufficient funds in your account. Make sure the check is properly filled out and signed. Do not issue checks to people you do not know or trust. Keep track of all checks you issue and their status. By following these tips, you can help to avoid bounced checks and the legal problems that can arise from them.